Okay, this is my genetics exam video number 2. I'm doing the first prompt on epistasis. Epistasis is the word for when one gene requires or depends on another one for its expression, and they work together to affect how the physical appearance or phenotype of the subject that you're looking at will be expressed. So, for example, let's say we have a little sailboat, and this green Sharpie is the mast, and we have a big blue sail, and that's the allele A. If you have a capital A, that'll be dominant, and you'll have a nice large sail for your sailboat. If you don't, if you have two lowercase a's, then you have a smaller yellow sail for your sailboat. The sails are gene A, allele A, and then this mast is going to be allele B. So if you have a capital B, then you do have a mast, and then you can have whichever sail you have. If you have two lowercase b's, that'll be recessive and you have no mast. So even if you do have a large sail and no mast, that's not going to help your sailboat. Do a dihybrid cross of two parents that are heterozygous for this, two parent boats. Then you'll see I tried to color code it. The capital A's will all have their large sail, so that'll be 9 of them. You'll have 3 smaller sails with lowercase a's, so those will be yellow. I wrote it in black here so you can see better. And then this one, because it has a lowercase b, as do these other ones, it'll have no mast at all, so it won't matter what the type of sail is because there's no mast to attach it to. And that's the 4 of them on the end. And then this specific 9, so that specific 9:3:4 ratio of the phenotypic expression is for single recessive epistasis. And then if you take a different dihybrid cross of parents that have different alleles, so you have a mix of A and then capital B, 2 lowercase a's, and then capital B lowercase b, there's not the possibility for any of the offspring to have 2 little b's, so it's going to be a mast every time. They all will have a mast and then a sailboat, and then in this case they happen to be split 50-50, the blue mast, the blue sails and the yellow sails.